chamfer foils and applies for both of them. And if you are having a troubleshootings or have a hard time with the foil chamfer, you're definitely going to need this bestie, because it's gonna chamfer everything for you. All right, completely on the nails, and cure for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna show you with this is box foil number 0109. I love this one. It's so cool and stunning. So I'm gonna pick like just 2 designs out of this. I have this one is on my nails last time. I believe so I'm gonna just do this too. So 109. Yesterday we do some flowers already. And then we're gonna do, I love this. Okay. Let's do this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Lay it right in the middle and give it really good press. And it's already chamfer, and sometimes my hand is really slippery because I have an oil on. You can using the dual end tweezers, and definitely you can give it a good rubs and it chamfer everything. I'm gonna do it slow so you can see it. And if you feel like you need miss some spot right here, just put it back up and it's gonna chamfer again for you. All right, so now we're gonna do some crystal placement. I love this part. And we're gonna start with ours is crystal trifecta. So we are using a condensed glue gels first, and no wipe top coat and precision glue gels. So if you don't want anything on it and you're happy with this, you just put a no wipe top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. However, if you want to add more crystal on it, so then we can able to oh, I got you. Thank you, Mika.
You're welcome. There's like 20 boxes in the back. So.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
He told me to come home with you.
Okay. Well, probably he can get it in the next door. Did he?
Yeah, I think so.
Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you, Mika. I have Mika here with me. She's awesome. Look at her. She did it this. I want this on my next set. This is from the Mix Charms, I think.
Yes,
and that's a mix charms. It's really good, and she did it from this, I believe. So you can get that like 10 pieces. So I'm gonna start with the condensed glue gel first. Really thick density, so make sure you are. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna apply it on. I'm debating with the centerpiece because I want everything. It would be glow in the dark right here. It's glow in the dark. I can't wait to get it finished, and then we can able to.
Is that the lemon?
This is a watermelon. Haha, yeah, it's cool, huh?
Yes.
So make sure you close the cap. Can't wait to see Mika doing it. She's a bomb.
Thank you.
She's like, I get this one, and then we're gonna add no wipe top coat on, floating on the top. Okay. Now we'll put some centerpiece on it. Can we switch this one to crystal placement?
Sure.
Click on that crystal placement.
And Vicky says hello.
Oh, hi Vicky. Where are you?
Yeah, it went so fast.
She's probably walking in, hop in and say hello. And you know what? I got it perfect. So here is the centerpiece. Either this or this. Or even this. Or this. I said, okay, Nancy, stop it. I think I want to do this centerpiece. It's so cute though. I don't know. I like this one too. Alright. So in the meantime, you're all making your these seasons. I'm going to put this one on. And with the glow in the dark crystal kit, it's still available with some there for you to pick it up. Put it right here. And then I am going to add, there's so many. Mika had so many on her as well. She probably have like, well no, the kits come at like 9,000 pieces in there.
9,000.
So you can do so many. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I have it on. Mika has some on her. So I'm gonna do is you can add. I do add SS12 and SS10 in the nails. You can add any colors you want or any size you prefer. I'm gonna put that a little bit up, just a little bit, because we want that flowers on that one. How's everyone doing today? I'm just so excited. I just tried to wrap around like my head around, see like, oh my gosh, so excited. It's 2 days. You can get this glow in the dark and neon is Velvetty Gels. Okay. Looks great. So I'm going to add some beads on. If you're happy with this, you are as good to go. If you want to...
Sorry.
That's okay. It's all good. I'm going to add beads on, and usually on the... to close up with the nails, I usually...
Where are they coming from? They are just all over this today.
Yeah. All right.
Hi, Kim. Hi, Vicky.
Hey, Vicky. Remove some fur. Get in there. It's the best thing about condensed glue gel and no white top coat, and it is not going to set until you cure. So if just in case you get like a fur stuck in there, you can just using your tweezer and grab it out. All right, thank you, Mika.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'm gonna add it. It's like have a triangles finish of the beads here. Thank you, Mika.
You're welcome.
I'm coming shortly. All right, you like it? We are going to cure for 60 seconds.